My name is Keisha.
Okay.
I'm a speaker today. This is your
All
demo
right.
session, right, of Club
Yeah,
Penguin.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Would you
Yes.
like to tell me something about yourself?
All right. My name is Megha. I'm from Chhattisgarh.
Okay. And could you tell me why do you want to improve your English? What kind of problems do you face while speaking in English?
Um, I can speak English, but
Hmm.
not in a fluent way. Means when sorry, uh, when I speak to someone on that time, I couldn't organize my sentence and I couldn't find right word exact on the time. However, I knew the words, but I can say that due to less exposure, so
Hmm.
it is difficult for me to speak proper. So to be fluent, I joined this app or this site.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Great. Thank you for sharing that with me. Okay. So I'll just give you a little bit of a brief about how this platform works so you can understand it better. What happens is every time you'll have a different
Okay.
speaker. Today it's me, tomorrow it will be someone else. This will help you learn how to speak to strangers. And you'll have different types of
Okay.
conversations like this. Secondly, we will also be
All
covering
right.
different types of topics just to get you more familiar with words and phrases that you may use in your everyday life. And
All
thirdly,
right.
we'll be giving you some corrections and some suggestions.
Okay.
Okay, so
All
that
right.
will happen real time. So as you speak, we will be giving you some corrections, maybe to give you somewhere that you may have gone wrong, some something like that. It depends on.
Yeah, yeah.
If you,
I
sorry, could you hear me? I got a call in the middle.
actually your video is quite moving. Means I couldn't focus properly.
Okay, is it better now?
Yeah, now it is better.
Okay,
Yeah.
so basically, no, I'm moving, so maybe that's why.
Yeah,
Um,
maybe the reason.
yeah. So basically, what happens is that we'll give you some suggestions to help you improve, and
Yeah.
you can use them. So, is it okay if I correct you, give you corrections as we go?
Yeah, perfectly fine. I'm here to correct myself.
Okay,
So
great.
don't worry.
Great attitude. Great attitude. Okay, so since today's your first session, could we
Yeah.
speak about something that is comfortable for you? Okay, so pick any topic, anything that you're comfortable
All
with,
right.
and then you can tell me about it. Take a second to think about
All
it.
right.
I'm just going to make sure that I don't get another call while you think. Okay, so give me half a second.
Okay. I can talk about language. Means how can
Okay,
what kind of trouble we find whenever we pursue to good at any language.
okay.
Can you hear
Any
me?
line? Yep, I can hear you. I can hear you.
I give you my personal experience.
Okay.
Okay. So I initially I was very poor in English.
Okay.
Means due to we have a Hindi medium school
Mm-hmm.
and we don't have any kind of circumstances or atmosphere. So English is kind of big thing for us to achieve fluency in it.
Right.
And whenever I see other people, they can talk in a easy way and they can talk in a very fluent way. So I thought that when the day will become, then I also be that much fluent. And I also think that how can they are good at that much. And whenever I saw the news anchor, how they speak English, the way they speak, their pronunciation and their fluency, I am impressed. So I work hard on it, but I feel that I didn't get that result. And sometimes I am frustrated, I can say that but day by day I came to know that with practice, with indulge yourself more into the English,
Mm-hmm.
you will achieve your goal. Because I I see myself. I can see myself that how I can say 2 years ago I was not able to speak even one sentence properly. Means at the
Okay.
same time I was nervous too, because in our country there are people's mindset, and means becoming being a learner, before that you had a lots of pressure. Means you have a hesitation, you have a nervousness, you have a fear that people make fun of you when you are not that much good in English. So we face these kind of things. At the same time we need to work on it. And yeah, so I understood that. So I keep all things in a side, and nowadays I just focusing how can I improve myself, how can I interact with people, how can I indulge myself more and more into the English. And that's the reason I joined you.
Okay. Great, great. I'm so happy that you spoke so much, that too in one shot. So well done. I'm so happy that you are
Thank you.
speaking confidently. And I'm so glad you aren't focusing on your mistakes. You're correcting wherever you find your own mistakes, you're correcting as you go. So that's very good. So congratulate yourself on the way you have just spoken. Okay. So now
Thank you so much.
that is about the good. Now there's something better. A few things that I noticed
Yes.
is that,
Yeah.
firstly, I feel you struggle a little bit to find the right words or the right
Yeah.
sentence
That is no problem.
format. And that is something which you address, that how do people speak so easily? How are they so comfortable? It's
Yes.
a lot of practice. And when I say practice, it's because they've grown up in an environment, or they've surrounded themselves in an environment that is all English, right? Where at home they spoke English, their friends speak English, they watch English, they work in English, their school is in English, everything happens in English. So it's
Yes.
never late to apply that same logic now. Surround yourself with English exactly right now, and that will help you get into that same
Yeah.
thing of thinking in English and speaking in English. Okay. So I know
Yes.
it's difficult
All right.
sometimes to find the words, but that you need to read a little more, watch a few more shows in
Okay.
English, and don't just watch
All
to
right.
entertain yourself. Don't just read to entertain yourself. Try to remember sentences, try to remember points, words, how they use certain words, which words they used, and then which was the next word out after that. So use it like that. That will help. Sorry. huh. So that will help you improve your vocabulary, because it's important. The more words you
Okay.
know, the more words you have to
Yes.
use, right? So try to
Yeah.
improve.
Those.
Yes, 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 yes.
Yeah. Yeah. I worked on it. I learned so many vocabularies. I learned so many words.
Mm-hmm.
Initially, I have trouble to join two sentences. That
Mm-hmm.
how can be fluent if you don't know the proper word that you can join your sentence. So
Correct.
nowadays I'm working on it. Nowadays I'm using words, and before joining you, I especially wrote down 3 to 4 words that today I will going to talk.
That
I'm going to say these words, like
okay.
moreover, and probably, and
Probably.
possibly.
Okay.
So this
Probably.
is how I am. Probably.
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 Probably. Bub.
Probably.
Probably. Yes.
Probably.
Once. Brilliant. Okay.
Thank you.
So I
Thank you so
know.
much.
Most welcome.
Yes.
That happens sometimes. With certain words we tend to say it differently, but you've said it perfectly. What
Yes.
was the word? What was the word we just spoke about?
Probably. Probably.
Brilliant. Yes. Brilliant. Brilliant. Brilliant.
Thank you.
Brilliant. Okay. So this is what
Thank
I
you. Thank you
mean.
so much for correcting me. Yes.
So it's my absolute pleasure. That's why I'm here. It's this is what I mean, and you're doing it right. That think of words, use those words, and then keep using them. Not just today. Keep using those words as you go. whether it's in
Yes.
sessions like this or with your friends, family, colleagues, anybody. You should keep using them. Okay.
Okay.
And another thing is that
All
I
right.
feel you get a little nervous if, and I'm not saying
Yes.
you are not confident, because you are. I think you doubt yourself, like, am I saying the right thing, or did I say this
Yes.
correctly? Is this right? Is this wrong? And while you do that, then you make mistakes because you're thinking about the fact that you are making mistakes, so you can't
Yes.
focus as well.
You are absolutely right. I knew this problem that it has happened to me,
Right.
and I
So
am
you
trying
need
to.
get away
Yes.
from that, and this is the place to make mistakes. Make it, when sometimes I'll give you this a little bit of advice about when you're on these sessions. If
All right.
you think you are not sure about the way you want to say some word, or you're not sure, is this the right way or that the right way, when you're on these sessions, just say it that way, right?
Okay.
If it's wrong or if there's a big mistake, someone will point it out to you, right?
Yes.
So
Yes.
you can test yourself, like, should I say it like this or should I say it like this? I think it should be this, but I also think it should be this. So say it, then someone will correct you.
I
That
will
will
keep in
help.
mind.
That will help you. So almost like when you show your teacher a sample sum, it's like that with words. Just
Okay.
put them however you feel they are making sense. If it makes sense, great. If it doesn't, you'll rearrange the words
Yeah.
you're using, right? So because I noticed that, certain words, you would say it a certain way once, and then the next time you would say it properly, or you would add, for example, you would say a nervousness, and then you would, in the second time when you repeated it, you would remove the which is not needed over there.
Yes.
So that's all because you know the right answer, but you
Yeah.
just don't know how to use it, and you get confused while you're speaking because you're doubting
Yes.
yourself while those words are coming out. Don't worry, keep speaking, keep speaking.
Okay.
Automatically you will realize that, okay, this is not how you say it, this is how you say it, okay, this is what I mean, that is, and it will go away. I promise you, with time. Another one other last mistake that I think you'll need to change is that when you said not that
Yeah.
much good, my English is not that much good.
Okay.
Can you tell me another way to say it better? Another way to say it.
What is the sentence? My English is not that much good.
Good. I'll let you know this sentence is incorrect.
I'm
I will.
not quite good in English.
Yes, very good at English.
Okay.
At English. At. Okay. But the rest of the sentence, perfect. Well done. Okay. So I'm not that
Sorry.
good at
Could you please?
English. I am not that good at English.
Sorry,
Or,
I didn't hear you properly. Could you please repeat?
yes, I will. My English is not that good. Okay. Not that much good is not
Okay.
required, or I am not that good at English. Okay. So it should be at English, not in English. Okay. At speaking
Okay.
English or at
Okay.
English, that is what the correct thing is,
All
and
right.
that much good is incorrect. So don't say that. Don't say that much good is not too good or is not good. That is fine. Okay. If you want to say how good
Okay.
or bad something is, you can say is not too good or is not that good. There's no need for much. Okay.
Okay.
That
That not good.
is
No
not
need too much to say.
it. Yes, it's not that good. Yeah, I'll type it to you. Don't get confused. I'll type it
Uh,
to you.
I am sorry. Could you please give me some examples with this
Yes,
phrase?
yes, I can. Sure. One second.
I
I'll note that.
I couldn't see you. Your picture is blurred.
Sorry. When I type, the camera goes. Okay. So you could say
Okay.
my cooking skills are not that good. Okay. My
Okay. My
handwriting
cooking
is
skills
not, yes,
that good.
skills is, yes, are not that good or is not that good. My handwriting is not that good or clear or is not too clear. Okay. then any skill, basically, whenever you're talking about
Okay.
a skill or some capability, right? Then you can say this,
Skill.
right? Or
All
the
right.
taste of this chocolate is not that good.
Okay.
Like
I will
it's
keep.
not that great, which means that it's an okay chocolate. There's nothing great about it. It's fine that way. Okay. Don't get confused when these things come
Okay.
up, because
Okay.
English can be a very confusing language. Like one word can mean something, but you can't use it in one sense. So it that will keep happening, and that I also keep learning,
Yes.
and the best English teachers also keep learning, right? Everyone keeps learning in English. There are
Okay.
so many words to learn, so many different ways to form your sentences.
Yes.
But right now we're working on getting your base to be solid. So don't get confused when there's something confusing. There's always an easier way to say it.
Okay.
Always. So if something confuses you, we'll find an
Okay.
easier way to say it. Then when you master the easier way to say it, you can find a more difficult way to say it. Yes? Okay.
All right. I love to see that you corrected me at the same time. Means, this is good thing for this side. Yeah. So I love that.
I'm so glad, because that way you can practice, and then practice the correct way of speaking, not just practice for the
Yes.
sake of it.